This city surprised me. Now, I've been here before, many times in fact. For the first time, I've been given the opportunity to actually experience the heart and soul of this city. I've had the barbecue. I've even taken a selfie with the king. I expected good food. I expected a street or two to be lined with tourist traps. I expected a statue of Elvis and a scenic riverwalk along the mighty Mississippi. But what stood out the most was how every single person I came across, from tourists to locals, were extremely outgoing and friendly. But am I really surprised if I didn't expect anything less? From a city rich in history, with deep roots in music and in the blues, it's a city with soul, giving rise to music that came about from the scars left over from the American Civil Rights Movement. It's the city where we lost Dr. King 53 years ago. This city is a product of its past. And it's an amazing, vibrant, and welcoming city. It's a city that I plan on returning to again and again.